Ever wondered if AI could launch a business faster than you can binge-watch a series? Let's find out. Step 1. I asked ChatGPT for business ideas based on my interests and current trends. In seconds, it spit out a list everything from digital products to subscription boxes. I picked one that stood out: a productivity toolkit for remote workers. Next up, visuals. I jumped into Midjourney, threw in a few prompts, and boom, stunning logo, website header, even social media images, all AI generated and totally unique. Now, time for structure. With Notion AI, I mapped out the business plan, created a launch checklist, and even drafted my first sales email. It was like having a boardroom full of experts, but way less expensive, and less coffee. Finally, I tied everything together. I set up a landing page, uploaded the visuals, and plugged in the copy, all in under 24 hours. By the end, I'd gone from zero to a full-blown business with AI as my co-founder. So, can AI really build you a business in a day? Absolutely, but you still need to make decisions, tweak ideas, and hit publish. The best part? Anyone can do this. You don't need to code, design, or even have a business degree. Try this method, see what you can create, and drop your results in the comments. Who knows? Your AI-powered side hustle could be just 24 hours away,